Hey, CW. This is a pretty nice color. 47 Chevy. Like that blue on that. That's very nice. I think Mrs. CW's car would look really nice in that color. Very nice color. Like that. Like that color. Some 65 Pontiac GTO. Firebird. Look at that. 77 Chevy Malibu. Custom paint. Very nice. Nice with the Malibu. Nice paint on the Malibu. That's pretty neat paint, isn't it? Very nice paint. Look at that. Another orange GTO. Very nice. Nice color. 69 GTO. Alright. Some more. There's more. Oops. There's more. 57 Ford. Not a bad looking car. El Dorado. At the El Dorado. We got here 56 Ford Fairlane. Very nice. Such a beauty. Smile. Say cheese. Oh yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Nostalgic stuff in there. That's beautiful. Nice color, red and white. Red and white's always easy. Nice, easy color. Beautiful. Looks good together. Having a picnic. It's a picnic. So you can see there's cars everywhere here. I mean, as far as the eye can see, there's cars. Got an old caddy, roughed up. Yeah, I got a 50s. Got a 50 here. Mercury, 50 Mercury. Skirts. 3 carbs. Another black and white. Another black and white. Very pretty. Very pretty car. Student round. First Olds. 15th anniversary. First Olds. Heck yeah. First Olds. What year is this First Olds? It's an 83. Impala. Some Impala.
There is a blue one.
Cars. Very nice. Very nice. 69 Plymouth Satellite. Very nice inside. That's nice. That's cool. Very nice. On the top. Looks like it. 66 Stingray. I love these Stingrays here. 66 Stingray. Old VW bus. Heck yeah. It's rusted. Right. And over here. Let's go across over here and see what we got over here. This is drawing my attention. Bel Air. Bel Air. This is neat. This is unique. Oh. Down here. Alright. Yeah. Kind of low that dude in the ground. 37 Ford. Wow. Look at that. That dude's low to the ground, isn't it? Low, how low can you go?
About the charger, ready?
California car there. 60 Chevrolet Parkwood wagon. Love the wagon. Love the wagons.
Yeah.
Amy Power.
Bring your wife with you? Hell no. Was she cutting hair today?
That's 440. Huh. Go back this way. Oh, wait a minute. Come over here. That's T-Birds. Love this here T-Bird. 57 T-Bird. 57. It's for sale. Runs, drives excellent. 312. 245 3-speed overdrive. 4% rebuilt. That's way in 57. 24,000. T-Bird. Look nice rolling around in that, wouldn't you? Thunderbird. Come back out this way. Setting up some music. Stand up bass. What's this? Lee Iacocca. Guy's been in everything. 64.5 Mustang. Big fan. Olds 442. Like, yeah, 70 442. Nice. This inside. More Mustangs. Not big Mustang guy. Got registration. Cruiser. It's a cruiser. Here is this cruiser. It's a 66 Studebaker Cruiser. Very cool. Studebaker Cruiser. Love the Studes. Love the Studebakers. Alright, so we're there in secondary lot. We'll be back.